Lexter-san.
Yes.
Oh.
Kumain ka na ba?
Oh.
Mali ang Tagalog niya.
Tama, wag mo na Tama.
When you're asking Lexter if he already ate in Tagalog, you will say, nagkaon ka na, lab? Try.
Maybe he's right, Miyako, sometimes.
It's what you call that,
It's the
different
same
level
meaning.
of Tagalog, but same meaning. Yes.
You say?
Kaon kana lab? Yan na, patanong para your question. Lab. Yeah. Nagkaon ka na lab?
Okay.
Ask him.
Oh, you said it, Miyako. Nagkaon ka na lab?
Lexter-san.
Yeah.
Yes, Miyako.
Nagkaon ka na ba lab?
Yes. I already ate.
Yeah, dapat sagutin mo, yes, lab. Laga rin na
Lexter, if you will respond to Miyako's nagkaon ka na lab, you will answer, yes, lab.
Kalambot, parang ikaw lang yun eh.
And gayon yun, ang response sadya sa gayon eh, yes, lab.
Gano'n ba yun?
Gayon yun, diba?
Tayo bili na lang ng pagkain.